Hi there, this is Adam Jones at the Wolf Rock Boat Company. Hope you guys are well. As you can see, I am down here on a glorious day in Kingsbridge. I'm on the slip, having just put this boat back on its SBS trailer. This is a Brig Navigator 520 with a Suzuki 90 horsepower on the back. It's actually one of our brokered boats. It's a second-hand boat that is available to be looked at and purchased as we speak. So if you're interested, get yourself on the website and have a look. Now, the reason we put this boat on the water is because the engine has just been serviced, and that is what I want to mention in this video. The Wolf Rock Boat Company specializes in outboard servicing. So if you need your outboard service, then get in touch with the Wolf Rock Boat Company, book it in with our team of experts in the workshop, and get your outboard ship shape and ready to be on the water. It's really important to get your outboard service to make sure that it is obviously within its warranty and make sure that your engine is completely looked after, and then beyond warranty, just to make sure that it is ready and safe to be on the water. So if you haven't done it for a while, if it's due a service, get it booked in and come and see us at the Wolf Rock Boat Company.